Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, 25th of July 2022. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of a contest was Flexible Volume Profile Indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won the volume profile. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week in the next weekly trading ideas video I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's for the contest. Let's now check out the charts. The first chart that I like to talk about is the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So what you see before you is the Australian dollar Swiss franc. It is a 30-minute time frame. Let me zoom it in a bit. And what I want to talk about is a strong support which is at 0.6655. The reasoning behind this support is that there was a rejection of lower prices, which means that the price went into a strong sell-off, but then the price reversed sharply and went into strong buying activity. This is what I call a strong rejection of lower prices, and this indicates strength and aggressivity of strong buyers. And those buyers reversed the price, right? They reversed the price from this downtrend into this uptrend. Now, the most important place for those buyers is this area, this heavy volume area. This is the place where they placed most of the long positions, right? This is what the volume profile is telling us. And because they placed most of their longs there, this place is an important place for them and they'll want to defend it. So when the price makes a pullback to this heavy volume zone, then the buyers from here will want to defend this important zone and they'll try and push the price upwards from there again, right? And this should make it a strong support, right? So that's why I think that the price will react from there, from 0.6655. All right, so that's for the trading idea on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and then take it from there. Now the next trading idea that I would like to talk about is on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So let's check it out. So now the chart shows the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. We are looking at a 30-minute time frame, and what I have in here are two resistances. The first one is actually pretty close to the current price, and it is at 0.7482, and it is based on a trend setup. This is a setup which I like to trade when there is a trend. What you do is you use the volume profile over the trend area, right? This is the trend. I used the volume profile over the trend area, and what the price does, it tends to react to places with heavy volumes. Like for example in here, there was a heavy volume zone. The price went downwards from it, then there was a pullback and a reaction, right? From those heavy volumes. Now, this volume cluster is already tested with this reaction, but the next one in line is this one. This is also a significant volume cluster that the sellers created within the sell-off. This is a place where sellers were adding to their short positions massively. So this is an important zone for the sellers, right? And that high volume zone is beginning in here at 74.82. So when the price makes a pullback to this zone, then I expect a reaction. A very similar reaction as in here, right? This is the same setup. Sellers from this place should defend their shorts and push the price downwards. That's the whole logic behind it. Now, there's also one resistance that I wanted to show you, and it is in here. It is at 0.7498, and it is based on the volumes in here which are telling us that strong sellers who pushed the price downwards from there were accumulating their short positions in here before that sell-off, right? Before that price manipulation. So they were accumulating their shorts here and then they pushed the price downwards. Now, as you can see, the resistance which I have is a little bit lower than this heavy volume zone. And the reason is that the price reacted to this place in the past very strongly, 3 times, right? To this place. So this is telling us that this worked as a strong support in the past. And when the price blew past that support, the support turned into a resistance, right? This is a price action setup. It is not a volume profile setup. It is just a price action setup, but it is very close to that volume profile setup which we have in here. And it is the combo of those 2 setups that I like, and it is the reason why I placed that level a little bit lower than this heavy volume cluster is, right? Because this is the place where the price reacted. So I think that the price will react from there. This is a very strong resistance where the price definitely should make at least a bit of a retracement. All right, so that's about that. That's about the second resistance on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. And let's now move on and let's check out the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So what I have in here is a resistance which is based on weekly point of control. Let's check out the profile, this gray profile in here. This is a weekly volume profile from the previous week, and it shows that the heaviest volumes in the previous week were traded right there. And from there, as you can see, new and strong downtrend started. So this is telling us that this is a place where strong sellers were building up their short positions, and from there they pushed the price downwards. Now, because this is a place where heavy volumes were traded, it should work as a resistance, right? This is where that heavy volume area begins at 107.28. Let me show you also like this with flexible volume profile, right? Those are the heavy volumes inside this whole rotation area. So when the price makes it back at some point in the future to 107.28, then sellers from this place, those sellers from this rotation, should defend the shorts which they placed there, and they should push the price downwards from there again, right? This is clearly important zone for those sellers because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and this is why they'll want to defend this area, right? So this is why it should work as a strong resistance and the price should react there, right? So that's for the resistance on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it. This is the website, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is going to trading course and tools. So you click this button and it will take you to a page. You scroll down a bit. And what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. There's a video which shows everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile. It includes my personal trading levels. Those are levels that I trade each day and that I publish in my members area. Those are intraday trading levels as well as swing trading levels. Now, the Elite Pack also includes volume profile pack, which is pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, the Elite Pack also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members, and this means that our team will set up the NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They will also load up my workspaces that I use. They'll connect you to data feed and they'll do it all for free as that's part of the service we provide to the Elite Pack members. All right, so this is what I recommend getting. Currently, we are running an Independence Day sale, which means that you can get the Elite Pack 50% discounted. You can get it in here. All right. So yeah, that's for that. That's for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.